Hi, my name is Clinton Taylor, and I'd just like to say that my experience at this park was really great. My favorite part was definitely the real deal. Trust me, he is the real deal. Another thing I learned a lot about the medicinal herbs and stuff that they use was really educational. I didn't know that much about that kind of stuff, and that was really educational for me. So and I'm pretty sure my friends also enjoyed the rest of the animals as well. I think their favorite experience was the little monkeys. They were very very funny. So yeah, definitely the sloth and the monkeys are my favorite parts.